Hi, today we're going to talk about PayPal business. So we're going to understand how you can track your PayPal business payments that are coming in through this simple tracker developed in Notion. So first of all, if you see the table below, you have some of the details like the description of the customer, the name, the number, any special instructions received from the customer, and how the customer is paying for this specific product. So if you click on this, we have added certain payment methods over here. So you can add your own payment method by simply typing over here, like it can be new payment or something. If you type, it will automatically show, or you can choose from the existing payment methods, whatever is being reflected over here. Okay, and then comes the part where if the customer is looking to send this as a gift. So once you click on this, you can see that if the customer wants to send this as a gift, you can select yes or no, and finally you can enter the amount for the specific product. Okay, so once you enter all these details, you can see on the top we have a payment type summary which shows individual total payments that the customer has made underneath every payment type. Okay, so we have credit card, debit card, PayPal, and all the things added up over here, and how many payments have been processed for each type of payment, and the total amount for every payment that has been made. You can see that summary on the top over here. Then there is a free delivery summary which shows how many customers have requested for free delivery and how many have not requested. So this is another quick KPI for your information. This template is customizable for your needs. You can customize it to any extent possible and add as many details as possible. But for that, we need certain customization methods. If you want any customization, please reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you with this further. Thank you. Have a great day. If you are looking to create PDF documents for your business, I have got a solution for you. Head over to pdfoutput.com where you can create PDF documents just for your business. So once you log in over here, you will be able to see an interface like this where you can select a particular template from this drop down. In here, I have selected the invoice template, and I've also selected the currency as US dollars. Once you click on this, you have several currency options available over here. You select a preferred currency, and then you can simply fill in all the details related to the invoice. So let me quickly fill in the details, and as we fill in the details, we will be able to populate this particular PDF with this corresponding details. So I'm just going to quickly add in some information over here. So as you can see, I have filled in some details over here in this invoice, and we're going to get the PDF out of this. So simply click on download PDF, and it will automatically generate a PDF document right of the information that you have filled in. So let me quickly open up the PDF document, and you can see that we have this invoice quickly ready from the details that we had filled in over here. You can even change your currency from here. As you change the currency, the invoice will get populated with a different currency of your choice, and simply click on download PDF again to download the PDF of this preferred currency. Now this is the single PDF mode where you have to fill in the details one by one. If you want to export PDF documents in bulk mode, so simply click on this bulk export mode, and you can fill in this database that you have over here. Once the database is filled in, you will be able to generate the PDF document out of that. Okay. So I'm going to quickly fill in this database and show you how you can generate bulk PDF document out of this. And meanwhile, I'm going to pause this recording so that once I fill in, I'm going to resume and show you how you can generate bulk PDF documents. Hi. So as you can see, I have filled in the details in this database for the invoices, and you can simply proceed to fill in the details. Okay, I've just missed out a few details. Let me quickly fill in this. So I'm just going to enter all this information. So you can see we have the invoice number, the invoice date, and exactly the same fields that we had filled in the single PDF mode. You can also expand these columns. If you're not able to see any of these columns, it will be properly visible for your requirement. And I've gone ahead and filled in every detail that was required, and now it's time to generate the PDF in a bulk mode. Okay, so as you enter the information in these particular rows in the database, simply click on download all PDF, and it will start generating PDF one by one as per the information that you had filled in. Okay, so we have generated three PDF document. Let me quickly open up one of those documents to show you how it has come out. So it comes precisely in the same format as we had generated in a single PDF mode. And again, we had selected the euro currency. If you change this currency to any other currency, it will automatically come out in that format. Okay, as of now, this supports the live database feature. So I will be soon adding a Notion database feature where you will able to add details to a Notion database, and you can export documents from here in this PDF output. So for now, this is what I have the demonstration for you. You can also export PDF document for a particular row by clicking on this download PDF for any individual row that you want to generate, or you can go with the download all PDF option that was available. So this was a quick demonstration of how you can generate PDF document. I will be soon adding more templates in the future. If you have any request for a particular template, click on this link and send me a request for what template you'd like to have. We also have a feedback window where you can send me any feedback of your need or whatever you might want to me to add over here. But for now, this is the demonstration that I have for your comment. Thank you. Have a great day.